it's too comfortable on that roof too. Like he's been up there before.
I'm just saying though, like, did he disappear, nigga? Oh, there you go.
No, it's
there you go. How is he gonna get down? I want to see him get down. I want to see this cat get down. Let's zoom in a little more. How is he gonna get down? Is he gonna get down? What is he doing?
He's getting ready to strike.
He's stuck.
I ain't. I told you. Nigga got them bushes, look. He in the tree now.
The boy in the tree?
The nigga, look, walking down the damn tree. I told you his ass been up there before. He know what's up.
The boy walking down the tree?
I told you. I'm looking at him.
Come on, man. This cat is live.
There you go. Look, coming on down. There you go.
Man, I can YouTube that. I'm from YouTube these videos.
That's crazy. You know what's up. See how he shimmy back down on there. You know how to hook them claws in there. Done.
Yay! Look.
Deal. You gone.
I'm free.
The bird still fucking with him. See how he dipping up in there?
Where you go?
He in the bushes back there in the back. Now the bird wanna fuck with him. There you go.
That boy got loose.